They only go with their Oibo, only one man, only the Oibo will be with them there. Am I lying? So what is all this? Eh? Which one is the party is not fine, the other one, that party is wow. Emi normal or Edos. Yes! Even if I want to beat Rita, not this one. I will beat her again next time. But this one, the cake is beautiful. The makeup, the woman tried. The beads, everything was nice. So why are you people still saying that the thing is not fine? Why can somebody use money to do something, then you will not come and use your mouth to say it's not good? Are you a witch? Huh? My goodness, everything. Do you know how much they used to even buy the ashoke they wear together? It's expensive. Oh. It's truth. That place that they decorate, that they put two chairs, it's money that they used to do it. Oh. It's expensive, eh? That cake is also very beautiful and expensive also. It's not free. Everything was so neat. I like when something is neat. So what are you saying? Must you follow one way? Eh? You that is saying that wedding is not fine. You have eyes, oh. It's very fine. Why are you saying that the wedding is not fine? That is how you will also say that Mary Edos, this said that the way is not fine. When you have your eyes that this hair really fits me. Eh? Why are you like that? Eh? My God, it's not good. You're supposed to change. Change. Do not follow somebody that Rita have problem with to make problem with Rita. Like Monica is insulting Rita. Leave her. Because you have problem with Rita. I cannot go to Monica platform and call and insult Rita. Never. Monica will insult Rita because they have problem. They're not the shame. I don't know the kind of problem where therefore this world where we go die one day all of us. Now they go get problem, it's not the solve. They're not the shame. They be old women. Rita and Monica, they be old women, but they're not the shame. Yes, fools are 40s, now they be. I know they mind them. Make una know they join them. They criticize something way good. Because God in heaven is watching. Not my Monica. They not join Monica, they cause Rita. Oma where yo Monica they fight with Rita. Avec the dernier thing. Not join now. Make only she want, only she use a coaster. Now so Rita go see do Monica. If Monica still do something, I don't mind them. Now they hear so. Me Mary Edos, I not go join. No, I not say Monica, eh? She get too much people with they follow her, with they said that things which they do. So if Monica say that thing is not good, all of them they'll say, hey, yes, it's not good, it's not good. They don't have sense of their own that this life where God is watching everybody. You don't have sense. How can you be doing enmity with somebody that joining Monica to do enmity? Are you a mumu? You don't have sense. Me, I will not join her. God forbid. My sister Rita is a dog girl, is a dog woman. She's doing marriage. I will say congratulations. Even if me and her, they quarrel, I meet with person go they even they quarrel straight me. Now that will be problem. Now that one I be the most useless thing where I just tire. How me a person go they quarrel social media? For oga sit here lo. Is that not a shameful act? God forbid. I don't know. Eh? Eh? Rita, congratulations, okay? Well, Emma will go. If you do that marriage, say, mama say, you do it well. Maybe you not doing for say now for your own good. Maybe you do it for so many people, But that thing that you did is very nice. I'm telling you the truth. I love it. Very, very beautiful, very nice. Where well na base, Rita, almost segbe. Okay? And you people that want to impress social media people, you have to stop it. It's not also good because people where you want to impress, you don't know how they take day for house. God. You don't know me. I will be the last person to impress people on social media. Me was Zoe. Me Edos. Ah, wow, never. Who know me? Who I know? I do my things the way it could please me. So Rita, is very beautiful, okay? I don't know why you went to do that fast marriage. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But anything will push you go do that marriage. That thing push you well. The marriage was so neat. I so much like the decoration, everything. So I love it. As I like your own so, God in heaven will make me get something like that one of these days. I know so. So, Rita Ayemie, congratulations. Okay? You try. You see people whether they comment, whether they insult you, they call. Some of them for this Europe, they're born for a dumb man. They don't know his papa, they don't know his mama. A dumb man, they're born for. They don't know their family. She don't know the husband family as. You know, if I lie, not my them. I've been at the one where their family be a party, when you be my party. Now you want call the hair before. Some of them when they call, they don't get family again, Rita. They don't get family like me. I still get half. This one is my family, for instance. I can't cut into two. One side family, the other side no. So my own can be. My own see better. You see many of them when they call, they don't get family. So not mind them. You try. Monica, when they talk, say you go house, you they hide. We never ever see Monica achieve something like that, especially there for social media. Monica, they lie. Money where you don't get, you never ever can show or something. Say, look at one investment. If it happen, we say they wait, Monica. Now me go come to sit down here the dance when you have a gbena, it wash. Because I like good things. That is just my life. You can even though say you want to turn my head, when me they see the thing good, I must say good. Now so many those be. Monica, you since where you they go Nigeria, you don't ever do something where you find like that. See the pot where you did they cook that day, it dirty oh. You want to talk your own. Monica, you want to talk your own. See pot. See as you say they see gas. One that gas way long. You don't even get 4 sets. Say na bumble be this one. Like, ow! You know what jao. Adela. Monica, since when they go Nigeria? Now your Nigeria now first then useless pass. If I lie, dan. Adela Monica, since when they go Nigeria? Me okwane one. Me no yeah gwale ne one. That's why I just be out the first to way fine. I go open eyes and me Monica make sure us fighting. Lie. From there you call they do live video for side darkness. Hey oh you Monica. You were supposed everywhere go they make blend error. They lie. Where we go on? Not be you they go Nigeria, they go they hide. That's truth. You go fit do that kind of party where Ayemie do. Ayemie not because say they join you. Ekwemugwa old fools now na be. We have a red banner when yanga no over the table of the swing. Why? I know they join you, Rita. God forbid. Now waiting you find out you see. I never see me, me so ya day. Our the next thing she go your come out. Have be monetized. Even any like baby what we so know. How can you be monetized when somebody have insulted you? There is no blood again in your body. God forbid that can monetize. I not agree. I not go agree. Mary Edos not go agree that can insult for body. At the time you made day. Oh, we don't tap pepe. God forbid. I know they join you. Now they watch me, they say yes. You got to kalubi your all the type when they say. Full at 40, that's what you are. Congratulations, Rita. You do marriage. I don't they join you. Cause carry wahi. Okay. Oh wahi. Monica, now you they go Nigeria where they dodge. Now you they dodge. Now you they show us hotel will not be your hotel. Adela. See your life. See your life. You go just sit down there. They make math. They find trouble. Everybody, all of them go, they say, yes, it's true. Now lie. Make una see pity for Monica. Monica, show us investments. We need it. Mary Edos, me, I need to see your investment. Monica, you must bring out investment to show us in Jesus' name. What did happen? January to December, nothing. For all the monetize, all the no investment. It's not good though. You must bring come out. This marriage where Rita go do so. Now big money na pass there so. Yes. Not believe they talk. But now money she take do all those things. Tickets go and come, the two of them. Now the Sukmo, now the Waving, now the CVA, now the Omo DJ. Something is money. Monica, do your own. Monica go Nigeria, go the share exercise books for children for Nigeria. All the time we no go fish a bad book. Even person wey poor pass for you don't go fit go Nigeria go buy book the share for primary school. Monica, show us investment. Monica, show us investment. Please. Show us investment. Show us investment. I mean, they say. Show us investment. That's what saga. For instance. Chai! It be like say una dey sick. It not dey finish. Una not go fit bring I do bone straight I can enter 360 frontal. Una not dey change. Must you do one thing? Hi! May God forbid bad thing. Rita, congratulations, Kagbe. Yagbe. Congratulations. Uba where you want go show people say you want do marriage. Uba wana ba ona do se ona gele mosuwa. Osa we say uba we oge oga wano owa dejo owa hara yo pakata. We mate ve expect you be hara yo very onisha. Salo boy wa we ona wa hara yo. That one don't see comot. Marriage only we la your dairy. Now waiting everybody they put that you do so. I happy for you. I pray me my own sick. May those marriage. May those marriage. I pray me my own sick come in Jesus' name. Yeah. Now so I see him. No way. No beer I go. No bowa I go. No wo gi on there. I go. Of course social media no really understand there. Such a way good don't say no good. Now so we y'all can do. Nothing what they go do again, they'll say no good. If Monica go Nigeria and I do something way fine, retire me go say no good and the fans. Now so we can't do now. And you what they? I mean, something where they go use big money to do social media because of saga, they'll just spoil for them. Yeah, wakulewa. May God help una. May God help una. Chai. Sorrow. Oma. Yan do arkan. Dite ekbek de novie do sa. Congratulations à Yemi Rita. Won. Oyai. De to awase we bona. O wa mu emi oviere o wa ma. Oni ode gbe yata. O we ayo wa wetin you talk. Ode o wa son o me. Gwa be zo gwa igui. Why igui? Stop to quarrel. If I tell you, I say not because of not be social media money, not be Rita take go Nigeria, I not believe. They not they see anything inside though. Maybe money where Rita take go now, as they work, they will borrow from bank or they save them. This social media thing one they see. Gang. That a me. When they see something for social media, Monica for don't bring that estate. If I lie. Why baby? Hi! Social media. I don't know where those are don't pay money back. Or say. Congratulations! Oh, we did not do saga. We are waiting for you. Yagbe.
Everybody let go of it. I tell you, get those. Every no one, I don't know. Yana Batawa, Umajere, Ukalewa, I say, never your way, no. Every no one, I don't know. Yana Batawa, Umajere, Ukalewa, I never will. Every no one, I don't know. Yana Batawa, Umajere, Ukalewa,
My hair is fine. Thank you so much. Thank you all for appreciating for saying that my hair is fine. God bless you because nowadays on social media, good things they said is bad. That is the latest things now. For you to say that this my hair is fine, God will bless you because he are not even expecting you to talk because things don't change you. Now something way bad now good now. Something way good now bad now. You way you see good thing, you see talk. God will bless you. Let me yari ne. Let me no mama ogi. Let me yari. for watching and for congratulating our sister Rita Yemie. God bless you all, and for liking my hair also. God bless you all. Bye guys. See you guys next time. I don't know when, but very soon.